What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a leak in your tire and repair it. All we're going to need is a tire plug kit that you can pick up at any auto parts store. I got this one at Walmart for about $13, and a spray bottle filled with water and dishwashing liquid. The Deluxe tire plug kit comes with a T-handle with an eyelet on the end, a reamer, rubber cement, and of course some plugs. So now I'm spraying the tire with soap and water and observing for bubbles. And I was able to find a spot. You can see the bubbles. Plugs will not work in every area of your tire. If there's any damage to the sidewalls of the tires, there is no fixing that, so you will have to get that tire replaced. When putting the plug into the eyelet, sometimes that can be difficult, so what I do is I grabbed a flathead screwdriver and I opened up the eyelet more, and then you're able to pull that plug through. Then I clamped it back down. So I coated the reamer with rubber cement, then inserted it into the hole, then twist it as you're pushing and pulling it. This is prepping the hole for the plug. It's worth adding as well that a tire plug is not considered a permanent fix. It's just to get you out of a bind and to the nearest tire shop to get the tire repaired correctly. We're going to coat the plug with rubber cement as well. So now it's time to remove the reamer and insert the T-handle with the plug. You're going to have to force it down in there, pull it around, try to get it in. You're going to push it all the way down. Then you're going to remove the T-handle by pulling up swiftly, and that will leave the plug in the tire. So you can either leave the plug like that, or you can get some side cutters or a razor blade and remove the excess plug. After the tire is fixed, we will need to air it back up. You can find how much air to put in your tire by looking on the inside of your driver door, and it should have your tire information. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe.